Japan SIM cards are the key to unlocking seamless connectivity and communication during your visit to this beautiful and technologically advanced country. Let us take a look on the top 3 unlimited SIM cards providers in Japan. Mobal has got your connectivity needs in Japan sorted, whether you're planning a quick tourist visit, a business trip, or an extended stay. What's truly convenient is the flexibility they offer in their SIM card options. You can go for the short-term solution, perfect for tourists and those on brief Japan adventures, or opt for a longer commitment if you're planning to hang around a bit. Now, what's interesting about Mobal is their take-your-pick approach. You can decide if you want your SIM card delivered to your doorstep before you embark on your Japan escapade, or if you prefer the thrill of picking it up right at the heart of Japan, adding a pinch of spontaneity to your journey. For short-term SIM cards, Mobal offers 2 types, the data-only SIMs and the voice plus text plus data SIMs. Under the data-only SIMs category, there are 3 enticing choices. You've got the 8-day unlimited data package at 4,730 yen, the 16-day unlimited data plan at 6,490 yen, and the 31-day unlimited data extravaganza at 7,920 yen. These are excellent for travelers who want to stay connected without any data worries during their stay. Now, if you fancy having your voice calls, texts, and data all in one bundle, Mobal has you covered with their voice plus text plus data SIMs. This category offers another 3 options: a 30-day package with 7 GB of data per calendar month at 7,920 yen, a 60-day deal with the same 7 GB monthly data at 12,870 yen, and finally, a 90-day bonanza with 7 GB data per calendar month at 17,820 yen. These are ideal for those who want it all in one convenient package. When it comes to long-term SIM cards, Mobal provides 4 different plans. However, there's an initial cost of 2,970 yen for purchasing the SIM card itself. Then, you'll have a monthly payment, depending on the plan you select. The 1 GB plan at 1,650 yen, the 5 GB plan at 3,190 yen, the 10 GB plan at 3,630 yen, and lastly, the 30 GB plan at 4,378 yen. Now, talking about network quality, Mobal operates on Japan's cream of the crop, SoftBank and Docomo. These networks blanket over 99% of Japan's population, ensuring you'll have rock-solid connectivity, crystal-clear calls, lightning-fast data speeds, and extensive coverage. But wait, there's more. Mobal also offers pocket Wi-Fi, a true lifesaver for those planning to stay in Japan for at least 3 months. With this nifty device, you get 100 GB of data every month, courtesy of Japan's top networks like SoftBank, Docomo, and au. The initial cost is 6,980 yen, and then after, it's 4,980 yen per month, prorated for the first month. And after your 3-month contract wraps up, the device is yours to keep. Whether you're landing in Tokyo, Hokkaido, Kyoto, Nagoya, Okinawa, Osaka, or Yokohama, Mobal has a variety of convenient pickup locations for your SIM card. And if you prefer to play it safe and get your SIM card before you even board that plane, they offer free shipping to numerous countries across the globe. Here's a couple more tidbits to keep in mind. You get unlimited 4G LTE data, and while Mobal's fair usage policy means data is truly unlimited during busy periods or for heavy data users, data speeds may get a tad slower. And remember, you'll need an unlocked device to make this magic happen. So, if Japan's in your sights, Mobal's got the connectivity solutions to keep you connected, informed, and entertained throughout your journey. Guess what? Card Geek is like the cool cousin of mobile communications, with a laser focus on the land of the rising sun, Japan. Now, while Mobal struts its products on the global stage, Card Geek knows that Japan is where it's at. Let's dive into their SIM card. They've got 2 main plans, the unlimited plans and the data plans. Under the unlimited spotlight, you've got abundance options. There's the 5-day whirlwind at 3,480 yen, the 12-day adventure at 4,980 yen, and the 21-day extravaganza at 6,980 yen. But if you're more of a data connoisseur, Card Geek's got you covered. The 8-day data binge with 8 GB data to burn at 3,480 yen. The 14-day jaunt with 3 GB for 4,480 yen. The 16-day data fiesta, boasting a whopping 16 GB at 5,480 yen. The 30-day data odyssey packing 7 GB at 4,980 yen. And the grand finale, the 31-day data marathon with a massive 31 GB to keep you streaming, scrolling, and surfing for days at 6,980 yen. Now, if you're more of an eSIM enthusiast, they've got something special for you too. You've got 3 durations to choose from: 8 days, 16 days, and 31 days. Let's break it down. For the 8-day sprint, you can snag 1 GB data at 1,920 yen, 3 GB at 2,340 yen, or go all in with a colossal 30 GB for 3,200 yen. Now, if you're in it for the 16-day haul, you've got options aplenty. You can start with 1 GB at 2,260 yen, snag 3 GB for 2,800 yen, or dive into the data deep end with a massive 50 GB for 3,900 yen. Last but not least, the 31-day power play offers a solid 50 GB at 4,900 yen. So, whether you're looking for unlimited talk and text or drowning in a sea of data, Card Geek knows how to keep you connected in the land of the samurai. Choose your plan and get ready for a connected adventure in Japan. Sakura Mobile, your ultimate travel companion, offers a buffet of options for globetrotters, whether you're a quick in-and-out traveler or planning to embrace Japan for an extended stay. They've artfully divided their products into 3 delightful categories: Travel SIM and Pocket Wi-Fi, Long-Term SIM and Pocket Wi-Fi, and the cherry on top home internet. Let's start our journey with Travel SIM and Pocket Wi-Fi. Here, you're spoiled for choice with 6 unlimited data options. Picture this, an 8-day escapade at 4,950 yen, a 15-day voyage at 7,150 yen, or a 30-day odyssey at 9,900 yen. But wait, there's more. For those settling in for a longer Japan stay, there's the 45-day adventure at 15,950 yen, a 60-day saga at 17,600 yen, and the grand 90-day epic at 26,400 yen. But hey, the surprises don't stop there. Sakura Mobile now unveils their eSIM plan, offering a quartet of data delectables: 5 GB, 10 GB, 30 GB, and the colossal 50 GB. The prices? Well, it depends on the number of days that you intend to use. Now, if you're traveling with your partners or simply have a host of gadgets hungry for data, consider the unlimited Pocket Wi-Fi. It's like a magic box that can connect up to 15 devices, and it's friendly with any gizmo you throw at it. The cost? Well, that depends on how long you want to keep this magical box by your side. And returning it is a breeze. Sakura Mobile provides a return envelope and it's postage-free. You just pop the device in and drop it at any mailbox in Japan, like the airports and Lawson convenience stores. If you're having so much fun that you need to extend your rental, hop onto their website and submit a form. Now, the cherry blossoms really bloom with the convenience factor. Whether you're landing at Narita Airport, Haneda Airport, or Kansai International Airport, you can waltz over to their counters for pickup. And if you can't make it to these airports, don't fret, they offer delivery to your hotel, post office, or even your Airbnb residence within Japan. And guess what? Sakura Mobile dances to the beat of NTT Docomo, Japan's most reliable network, with a coverage area wider than your travel dreams. After all, NTT Docomo has been a pioneer in Japan's cellular history. Now, if you're planning a long-term stay in Japan, Sakura Mobile's got something special for you. Long-term SIM or Wi-Fi is where the action's at. You've got Voice Plus Data SIM, starting at 5,500 yen, activation fee, and a monthly fee of 3,278 yen for the 4 GB plan. For the data enthusiasts, there's a 25 GB plan with the same activation fee and 4,378 yen per month. If you're all about data and not so much about voice, data-only SIM comes to your rescue. At 2,728 yen per month, you can revel in the 4 GB plan, or bump it up to 25 GB at 3,828 yen per month. And for the Wi-Fi aficionados, there's the Pocket Wi-Fi Buffet. You can feast on the 10 GB plan at 3,828 yen per month, savor the 30 GB delight at 5,478 yen per month, or go all in with the Fiber Internet Unlimited plan at 7,128 yen per month. So, whether you're here for a short rendezvous or a long-term commitment, Sakura Mobile ensures you're always connected in the land of the rising sun. Here's a comparison chart for your reference. I think each provider has its pros and cons. At least for me, one of the appealing aspects is Sakura Mobile's well-designed website, along with the fact that it's a Japanese company headquartered in Tokyo. This local presence could prove helpful in case any issues or questions come up during my stay in Japan. Card Geek doesn't just operate in the USA and the UK, they also have a presence in Tokyo. What's more heartwarming is that both Mobal and Card Geek are on a charitable mission. Based on their website, a significant chunk of their profits goes to various charitable causes. So, by opting for their products, you're not just staying connected, you're lending a helping hand to those in need. It's a win-win for everyone. As eSIM usage continues to grow, there's no need to concern yourself with collecting or waiting for a physical SIM card. You can simply order it and start using it immediately, hassle-free. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Japan. Thank you for staying to the end.